Hello viewers, this video is about hiding apps in Microsoft Launcher. So let's get started. First of all, you need to click this menu option and then click here, and after that go to hide apps. Click here, hide apps. Now select which apps you want to hide. Let's say I want to hide this phone pay and WhatsApp and confirm, and after that click on this setting option and set your password. Skip. Now set your password whatever you like, confirm, and then enable this quick access and dock. Then it's done. To check the result or to check that hidden apps, you need to swipe up this bar, and after that you need to swipe up once more. Now enter your password. Here you go, here's your hidden apps. That's all. Thank you very much.